Hello student, today we'll focus on the topic demultiplexer, then their use in combinational logic design and then demultiplexer trees. So first thing is what is meant by demultiplexer. A demultiplexer is a circuit that receives information on a single line and transmit this information on one of the 2 raised to n possible output lines. The selection of specific output line is controlled by the values of n selection line. So data in, if you see here input data, this will be routed to one of the outputs. Okay, we can here consider as a after y3 here is the yn. Okay, h0 s1 these are the your select input and one input and 2 raised to n output. For example, for 4 output means 2 raised to n is equal to 4 means we require the 2 select line. So h0 and s1 like this one. These are the general block diagram. Demultiplexer. In one line we can call it as in demultiplexer having the one input and many output. This one input will be routed to one of the output lines. Okay, is called as demultiplexer. So see, next is types of demultiplexer. The 1 to 4 demultiplexer consists of one input, 4 outputs, 2 control lines to make selection. The block diagram shown, the previous diagram you can consider as 1:4. 2 select line H0 and S1, 2 output lines Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 and one input line is data in. In addition with enable inputs are available in the block diagram. Their use, if enable pin is active, then and then the demultiplexer start working the function. If demultiplexer is deactive, means enable pin is disabled, at that time we cannot generate the output. Okay, now see the first truth table, then we can see the diagram. We are 1:4 demultiplexer. If you observe the truth table, okay, these are the control inputs H0 and S1, enable input and data outputs, 4 outputs for 1:4, 1 input 4 output, these 4 output lines. Then y0, y1, y2, y3, these are the 4 output lines. Then you control inputs H0 and S1, enable input. Now see, whenever the control input are high, at that time both inputs are 0. Okay, at that time output y0 pin is high, remaining all are 0. Similarly, whenever control input 0 and 1, at that time y1 is high, remaining all are 0, enable input is. Third case 1 0, at that time y2 is 1, remaining are enable pin is high. And for fourth one y3 is 1, whenever both control inputs h0 and s1 both are high, enable pin is also high. If enable pin is disabled, means connected is 0, at that time these are indicate don't care condition. Don't call it X. This symbol is a don't care condition. Its meaning is what? If S1 as well as the S1 as well as the S0, S1 and S0, if you consider their value either 0 or 1, either 0 or 1, still there is no effect on the output. All outputs of the respective inputs are 0. All outputs are 0 whenever you are keeping the H0 and S1. Now if you see the logic diagram, okay, this logic diagram will be used by referring that data input, output y0, y1, y2 and y3, and these are the 2 select line H0 and S1. This is inverter is connected, means here is S1 bar and here is nothing but your H0 bar. One line you can call it 1 means we can connect here and 0 means we connected here, output of inverter. S1 is 1, at that time we connect here, S1 bar means 0, you can connect here. Okay, if you see the truth table, okay, truth table Y0, at that time S0 and S1 both are 0. Okay, as enable pin is high. So see, in the first one, both 0, 0 means we can connect here, 0 means connect here. Okay, data in one line, another, and enable pin, right? So our aim is what? Y0 is when it is output is high, this one is 0, this one is 0, data input is connected everywhere, all, at that time output will be. Same way, here is again this data in, first thing, data connected to all these four, and this 0 and 1, it depends upon the position of the truth table of the S0 and S1. According to that we have to connect. Okay, so in this way we can implement 1:8 demultiplexer, 1:16 demultiplexer, and it is possible to implement. So we can do the practice how to plot the demultiplexer. These are the, once you draw this one in your notebook, then we can got the practice. These are the AND gate. So AND gate means here multiplication. This data input S0 and S1, and then we got the final out. Okay, thank you.